So apparently Zai did try to get Demeter to come and see Lyra. That's what Aphrodite's telling her. But she refused. So Demeter, again, is Persephone's mom. And Aphrodite's like, I came in her place. So here I am. What's up? And that's when Lyra's like, I need to tell you the truth about Persephone. However, Aphrodite won't tell Demeter the secret because it could start another war. She's like, are you kidding me? Like, if Demeter knew that her daughter was still alive, like, shit would go down. Like, she almost burned the world down after Hades told her Persephone died. So, if that was a lie, oh boy, it's going to be bad, bad, bad. So, it's actually kind of smart of him at that point to lie to her about what really happened because it's bad. So thank you, Aphrodite. And then she like, oh, walks out and just like, okay, bye. Thank you for the love. And Lyra's like, next time, babe. And the Daemons are like, okay.